Hey, hi, hello. Let's see Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. All right. So first thing, if we see today's session, where did we start today? July 1st, 9:15. Okay, it is here. Can you see today's first candle was a bearish candle, and after a bearishness, the market came to one point and then reversed, and again came to the same point and reversed. Again, it has come to the same point and reversed. Let me draw a path for you. Just check. This was your 9:15 candle. Market came here, reversed, came back and reversed, and almost came back to the same zone, reversed, and then it has come back to the same zone towards the end of the day and it has stopped. Yes, it has stopped towards the end of the day. It's come to that point and it has stopped. Now if you see on the upside, market wasn't making any kind of higher highs. Now if you see, give me a second, let me draw. If you see, this was a high made, but look at that high. That high is less than this high. Again it made a high that is less than this high. Again it made a high, again it made a high. Can you see that lower highs getting formed continuously? And then there was a breakout and then market went up. But at some point of time, market took resistance from this point and then again came back to the support levels. Yes. So now we have to see what is going to happen for tomorrow, being this for today's range. Today's range was somewhere around, say, from here to here, 270 points. But days back, if you see, there was a time where every day we used to have 500 points range, where we could have minted money like hell. But now patience is the key. We have to sit after taking a trade, right trade. After taking a right trade, we have to sit. If you're taking a wrong trade, no point in sitting for long time because you'll be making losses or option DK can happen. As of now, tomorrow's analysis, if we see, this we can take as in support, this bottom line. And now once this bottom line is broken with volumes, now volume is an important factor that we are supposed to see. Okay, now volume. Now look at that volume. Towards the end of the day, we have got green candles and volumes are high, right? Volumes are high towards end of the day because that was exactly at the support. Tomorrow, if in case we are breaking the support zone with volumes, that is bearish volumes, red color candles in volumes, if we are breaking, we can see a nice down move up to 34642. This is a futures chart and not a spot chart. We can see at least a fall of 150 points from there to here. After the break, we can take an entry here and keep a target at 34641. And once if this is also decisively broken, and we can see another 244 points fall. But as of now, we are seeing a range of 200 to 300 points in Bank Nifty. So I'm not going to plan for a higher range, but if in case if the fall is very big, because the last 3 days if you see, there was continuous fall, 1 2 3 4. Last 4 days there was fall, but the fall is slow, the fall is not even fast, right? So now if it breaks, we'll plan for 100 points, and if this breaks, we'll plan for another 200 points. And once it breaks and comes to this point is a huge demand point, that is 34 400 to 34 250. This is a huge demand zone, wherein if we see any kind of rejection at this zone, we can go for long entry. That's the view on downside. Now on the upside, if you see, there are huge resistance that are being continuously added by this call raiders. Now if you see here, there is a resistance on the chart. There is a resistance on the chart. If you see our Telegram channel, this is our Telegram channel. Okay, it's called as Sharks and Whales Day Trading. Okay, if you come to this channel, we'll be posting all the views here. Okay, so previously I had posted a Bank Nifty chart. See, today's chart we had a supported 34,600 to 34,700 levels. That is where market reversed today, the same point. And this chart, if you see here, I have posted, this is the bank nifty chart. So here I have posted that there will be a fall from 354646, and the same point it almost took resistance. This is nifty chart. Give me a second. If you go and check bank nifty, the same thing happened. On a nifty chart as well, the same thing. 15864 was the level, and if you come down and see, 15864 took resistance twice, and then there was a big fall. We had given a call of put option as well on this. If you see here, 35,400 PE, 270 to 300 range, and this 35,400 put option exactly made low of 270, and then the target was open because I was seeing a big fall, and then we saw this 450 points fall, and then 400 points fall. Anyways, which now if you want to subscribe, you can come and join our channel for live updates. Apart from that, tomorrow's range, if you see on the upside, now market can reverse from here to here, but there is a fight. Bears can again come into control and they can push the price down. So here any kind of rejection will also again create a selling pressure wherein market can fall back again. Now what if in case this is broken? Now there is very less chance of this getting broken, because if you go previously and see, there is a nice market structure which will protect from bulls going up. Okay, so there is a market structure which can stop the bulls from leading. Bears are powerful as of now. We will look for shorting opportunities. Every rise will look for shorting opportunities as of my analysis. You can do your analysis and then you can take a trade. But if in case if this analysis is useful to you, kindly click on like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. And now this is taken as a resistance point for tomorrow, that is around 3500 to 35,000 levels. Any kind of rejection will go short at this point, because above this point again we have a structure here, we have a structure here which will stop from bank nifty going up. And if at all it starts going up continuously, there is again a huge rejection point at the top. So do not think of buying as of tomorrow. Just watch if in case market is continuously going up, because there is no point in buying, because market will fall after every raise. So you have to be very careful. Now as in if you see one more thing, for the upside there is no room, but as of this we can see a nice downside room. Yeah, downside can be seen, and I would like you all to short at this red zone or below this purple zone, keeping target at green line or this green box. That's the first thing. Now if you go to this Dr. Reddy, okay, Dr. Reddy continuously consolidated for last 1-2 days at this zone exactly. Now it's broken above the zone and it is a lifetime high. It's a lifetime high, and there was a nice good breakout even on a 1 hour candle which says we can go long on this stock. Maybe we can wait for a retest that can come back till here, and then we can again bounce back. Make sure you trade on Dr. Reddy on upside, not on the downside, because it's broken the lifetime high. You can see here. See, this was multiple resistance at the top. Now the resistance is broken. Resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, which is taken out today. So you can go for long on this stock. Maybe another you might get another say 300 to 400 points on a short term. For a long term, this is a good stock. You can hold it for portfolio. Thank you for your time. We'll see in tomorrow's session. Thank you.